What's happening, everyone? My name is Wayne and welcome to my channel. We are here today at the Wild Boar Trails in Wellington. Brand new trails. We're gonna get to shred them on e-bikes.
They're so new we don't even know where they are.
We're trying to find reception so that we can sign in and see what's going on and get like a trail map or something going. But today's ride is joined by my buddy Pierre and Dave up front there. Yeah, driving in here, it was like the temperature was like 5.5 degrees Celsius, so it's like freezing for us. This is more wine country, guys. Oh, no, you know what? 80% of Cape Town is wine country. This is brandy land. They make brandy here, Wellington brandy, KWV brandy is all from this area. So brandy area here, guys are getting stinking fucking drunk here. This is apparently where you sign in. Don't be like us and go straight to the wine tasting section there. I have signed in and I have a map right here for Wild Boar Trails. We may have to use this because we don't know this place like from a bar or so. But we have e-bikes, so if this place sucks, we're just gonna head over to Wellington and go shred there. Supposed to be unpacking my bike there. Thank you.
Okay, there we go.
Thank you, slave. Okay, so
Work done, bro.
got some winding trail going up here. You can see this is quite fresh. Wow, look at that. Don't look down there. There's like landslide there. Whoa, whoa. One of those the tight ones. Dave, what you doing? Watch those corners, bro. You're going in too fast.
Oh no, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Too much power.
You have to lean the bike. Oh, Dave snapped his chain. Look at this view of the Wellington Valley here. You have Wellington right over there. There used to be some trails up there in that mountain there. It used to wind down. Used to be a trail called Cool Runnings. So we are back on the road now.
Back on track.
Heading up. Another single track up here. We're climbing quite a bit here, so hope we're gonna get to some descending pretty soon. This is a roller coaster here on the Warthog Trails. Got Dave up in front on the Canevo. We are rocking full retard mode here on the e-bike, so if this is a bit pedally, it doesn't matter. Woo! It's very flat. Woo! This is like ball bearing sand. It's very, very loose. Very cross-country like trail this, so loads of pedaling. I mean, very pedally. Hey? Dave up is saying this is cock. It's like super pedally. Shit, I don't know why they would name it roller coaster. Usually if it's like roller coaster, you've got a massive amount of flow, but a roller coaster kind of works on gravity, that the gravity takes you down. This, we're using battery power and e-bike power to get us down. Okay, that was better. But the first bit, woo, it is really loose here.
Wow, okay. I would be hating that right now, but it was kind of fun on the e-bike.
Yeah.
You guys are cheating.
That's it.
Oh no, wait!
Wait. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I need someone in front of me. All right, Dave is up here in front. Next time, Pierre.
Yeah, come here.
Next time, Pierre's up front. We gotta get some. We gotta get some fails and bails. Oh, is that it? Oh no! What? All right, different view up front here. We have Pierre leading the charge here, showing us where to go on this trail. Because we kind of lost. But I think someone told us that we are currently heading over to Wellington Pass, which is just here on the right, that mountain, which has got some pretty rad trails. So we headed up the Bainskloof trail, which is the Python. Looks like a climb. I thought it was I was hoping it was going to be a descent, but looks like a climb up here. The happy hog. Is it a descent? Oh fuck no. What the fuck? I'm not happy. This is it. This is the happy hog. Let's see how this one is. Woo! Okay, this is better. This is much better. This is a much better trail. Okay. Ah, that's what I love. I love the sketchy vibes that Pierre throws down. We usually see some action when Pierre's up front. You're like half-footed. I was like trying to say before that, Pierre like half-footed the turn. Yeah, this is actually pretty fun, this one. I like this one. We're just butchers. Half foot turn there from Pierre front. he's like chicken foot. He's like chicken footing this. All these berms here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, what a rad fun piece that was. That was a good piece. I like that. Yeah, Pierre, push it, bro, push it. Woo! You can do it. All the way. I think we're at the bottom now. So that's a bit of a taster of the Wild Boar Trails here in Wellington, Cape Town. I'll continue with this ride on the next episode. So you know the drill. Punch that like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you like my channel. Videos every Monday and Wednesday. Thanks for hooking up with us on this episode. I will catch you on the next one.